Hello everyone, I'm Akarsh. So today I'm going to show you how can you use envoy proxy along with the node.js web server. So this is my project which I cloned in Visual Studio Code. You can find my project in GitHub. So I'm just going through the project. So the project contains a small introduction showcasing you how you can use envoy proxy to handle all the incoming traffic and forwarding the request to the node.js server. So these are the three features which are present in this project. How do you install this project? First, you need to clone this project. And then change the directory to the project directory and then install it, the dependencies. So for example, if you copy npm install, so I'm in Visual Studio Code. Let me open my terminal. So here, let me install. Okay. So we need to go further, cd into web server, and then npm install. So right now you can see all the files are installed. And what else? Next, we need to come back outside the repository and we need to use docker compose build. So before executing, I would like to show you these are the previous ones. So let me delete this previous one, and under images you can see these are two images which I built. So let me also delete them so that you can see a clean project. Let me execute this command. So right now you can see it is trying to build the docker compose file, going inside the envoy folder and trying to download the envoy alpine image, and then copy the envoy YAML file and then paste it inside the docker image. Next, if it is going to the web server folder, in the web server folder it is fetching the alpine image for node.js 21.6.1, and then it is setting the working directory with app, and then copying the package.json and then installing the dependencies and copying all the files here, and then it's exposing the port 3000 and then it's executing npm start. So right now the docker compose has been set up. The build has been completed. So right now you can see all the two images. This is a node.js one, this is an envoy proxy web server. So what else? So right now we have built everything. So how to use? You can simply run docker compose up. It will fire up this. It will use these two containers with the project name envoy1 and node.js. So let me go to the web browser, and now we type localhost, and localhost 3000. So you can see hello world is being served, that is from the web server, but we have an issue that it is not being directed. So this could happen mostly because of the IP address issue. So for example, when I'm in macOS, I need to use this particular config file and then update the macOS to my local IP address. So let me do the change. For that I need to stop the recording. So right now I have changed the envoy.yaml file. As you can see, there is one change. So let me do build, because we have changed the YAML file here with the correct IP address. Now let me run docker compose up, then it is running. So you can see in containers, these two containers are running. And what else? Let me refresh, and also this one. So you can see this is just for testing, so you can also remove this and everything traffic gets served via envoy proxy for this localhost server. That's all. So you need to just update your IP address when you're testing, or whichever IP address that you are going to use. So here is the file under line 38 in envoy YAML file. You need to replace it with your IP address of your host machine. So when I replaced it, is started to working. Before it was not. So this is one small change that you might have to do. I hope this small tutorial video is helpful. So that's all about the whole project. That's all. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.